Hi, this is Shelly Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the LD Micro Invitational in Bel Air, California, 2014. I have with me Dennis Calvert, BioLargo Inc. It's a publicly traded company and the symbol is BLGO. Dennis, welcome back to SNNLive.
Shelly, great to be here. Thank you. This is a beautiful event.
It sure is. Isn't it a beautiful day outside?
It's just great.
It's a little warm, but it's California, you know?
Nice, really nice.
So let's get right down to it. Let's get a little overview, and then I'll ask you some specifics.
Sure. So remember, BioLargo is the technology company featuring iodine technology. We've got 3 areas of focus: consumer products, advanced wound care, and advanced water treatment. And the advanced water treatment's where a lot of real excitement in the company is happening. So
let's go right into an area we never covered. So tell me which one that is.
Agriculture.
Oh, okay. That's a new one.
Well, about 2 weeks ago, we made a public announcement that we'd expanded our area of focus at the University of Alberta. Remember that we were invited about 2.5 years ago into a research project with the top oil companies, sponsored by Canadian federal and provincial research dollars, to prove out and find the best technology to handle some very high volume contaminated water issues. In that journey, the proof of claim work has validated our efficiency. That's fast and quite effective at dismantling difficult to manage contaminants. In that journey, we got exposure through the Department of Agriculture at the University of Alberta. And about 2 weeks ago, we announced that the scope of work was expanding to include a number of really critical areas of water treatment in agriculture. Now, the significance is, as big as oil sands and as big as the oil and gas industry is, agriculture is predicted to really touch about 70% of the world consumption of water. So between the two, we have just a huge market opportunity to take advantage of.
Now, I understand that you're going to be one of the companies on the cover of the MicroCap review, isn't it?
What an honor.
We're going to see you a mug on the cover.
I know. It's exciting, though. We're really glad to be part of that program and team.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good exposure, and we love SNN. It's just it's a perfect venue for our story, and we think it's a pleasure.
You know what I wanted to add? You know, on occasion we meet one of the true companies in emerging growth.
Right.
You know, you typify an emerging growth company.
I think we do.
I want you to explain to the audience why you typify an emerging growth company, just so they know what I mean.
I'd be glad to, sure. You know, if you look at our history, we've been at this for quite some time. When I met the inventor, really it's about 2004, so that's 10 years ago. He explained 2 things. He explained the breadth of its purpose behind the inventions. It had a significant role to play, and it would do something very important. So it's good for the world. We say we make life better. You know, it's a big claim, right? And so the breadth, it's important and it's a broad opportunity. So then the journey of advancing technology is you know, quite a journey. It's a significant undertaking to think that you're going to enter into multi-billion-dollar markets and replace incumbents. And so what you face is a whole host of competitive barriers. There's competitive, regulatory, scientific, adoption rate. It just goes on and on. So an emerging technology company has set its sights on tackling some of the most difficult, significant breakthrough opportunities known to business.
And then what happens when you successfully penetrate and start to grab market share from the incumbents?
Right. So for us, what we decided to do was to focus on advancing our science to the highest level. The breadth, the scope, the precision of the science, and really take a very long approach and know that if we can stay the distance, right, go the distance, that as we advance our science claims and we advance our proofs, that eventually this technology will find adoption through licensure. And so as a licensing company, emerging technology company, you're looking at very high margin revenue streams by licensing into some of the major companies who compete in all these various markets. So the uniqueness of our technology is that there's so many technology opportunities for product design to use our invention. And now with the water invention, we believe that our technology has an imminent commercial future, and it will touch just about every segment of the water industry because we've really moved to the top of the food chain in terms of invention and innovation. We propose efficiency, economy of scale that really can compete with every known water treatment technology in the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to send you to their website, Dennis is about to give it to you. Dennis, please.
Sure, BioLargo.com and BioLargoWater.com.
You got that, folks? BioLargo.com and BioLargoWater.com.
Right on.
Dennis Calvert, BioLargo Inc. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is BLGO. I'm Shelly Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at the LD Micro Invitational here in Bel Air, California, 2014. Dennis, thanks for coming on.
Shelly, thank you.
Good to have you.